Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. I want to ask you, do you like border roses? In this video, I will show you what kind of border roses I grow in my garden and how to grow these roses. Border roses can be grown along garden paths. Such roses can be used to make garden fences for other plants. The main advantage of these roses is the small height of the bush. Sometimes gardeners grow border roses even in flower pots. A border rose bush is no more than 27 inches, or 70 centimeters, high, and the width of such a bush is even smaller. These are very compact, but very beautiful plants. The border rose takes root well in a new place. This plant is very unpretentious and resistant to frost. Another undoubted advantage of such varieties of roses is a long flowering period. Border roses come in many different shades and pair well with other ornamental plants. The first border roses were presented to us by gardeners in China, and now we get the best varieties of such roses from Holland. I'll show you the best varieties of border roses. This is the Cordula rose. The rose blooms all summer. In a very sunny place, its flowers sometimes change color to orange. Cordula rose bushes are low, they have a large number of branches. This is my favorite border rose, Clementine. Clementine is a low rose bush. The flowers are orange and peach. It all depends on the amount of sun. Clementine blooms for a very long time, almost all summer. I made this video at the beginning of November. My Clementine is still blooming. Another beautiful representative of border roses. This is a little white rose. The bushes of such a rose are slightly higher than those of the Cordula rose. Height is approximately 30 inches. This is a Canadian hybrid. The rose needs protection from frost and wind. If you want to get abundant flowering, rose branches must be cut often. 4. Now I will show you a Dutch hybrid. This is a border rose, lovely Lydia. This is a spray rose. Why is it such a name? The flowers of such roses radically change color from pale pink to bright crimson. Variety lovely Lydia tolerates cold well, various fungal diseases, and is not afraid of pests. Finally, the miniature border rose yellow doll. Bushes of such a rose have a height of only 10 inches or 25 centimeters. This rose blooms all summer. The best place for planting and growing such a rose is a flower pot. If you find a place in your garden for these plants, border roses will make this corner of the garden very attractive. I hope the video was helpful and interesting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it. See you soon.